Hello, my name is Jan Mattes. I'm Chief Product Owner of Signavio Process Analysis and Mining, and I will now show you how you can leverage Process Insights improvement opportunity dashboards to filter down on your working capital processes. So let's have a deep dive directly into the new improvement opportunities. We have a set of 15 dashboards prepared for you. And if you want to basically look on how the dashboards can help you on your working capital management, then you might be filtering for three areas here. First of all, you might look into the days that your inventory is available. You might look into days payable outstanding and also into the reduction of days sales outstanding. So this is basically the 8 dashboards that you can leverage for working capital management. And let me now deep dive into an area which is basically how can we achieve that our customers pay earlier. That's reduce number of days paid late by the customers. So first of all, let me understand the situation as it shows here. So you find a good explanation why you at all should be looking into that dashboard. And what I spot here right away is that the number of my open and overdue FI items are basically is increasing. I have also customer invoices without sales, and those open accounts receivable items are going down, so that's not too bad. Let's now deep dive into the number which is not looking so great and understand a bit closer what might be behind that. First of all, I see here now the trends of those overdue accounts receivable items. Those have not been cleared. It's invoices which have not been paid by the customer so far. You see the percentage distribution here as well. And most obvious is, of course, first I want to compare how is my industry doing compared to my business. And here in the professional services industry, which is my industry, I'm looking quite bad. And I want to understand now basically what are basically my businesses and business units which are doing worst. And that's what I see here. So basically here's the company code which have the biggest problem. It's basically those two here which I should be focusing on. And what is basically the actions I might take? That is, first of all, correction recommendations, but also innovation recommendations. Correction recommendations you can directly apply in your system. Let me check here what recommendations we have. One example is just to enter the dunning procedure for your customer master data. Very simple, but often neglected. And then you might be looking into removing reasons why dunning is blocked or why dunning is not happening at all. Always you find here really detailed explanations how you can implement that easily in your system. So that's basically pretty simple and easy to adopt. Another step would be going for innovation recommendations, so extending your solutions, for instance, by using built and partially also free available enhancements to your existing processes. So a good example is here to leverage the Fiori apps for process receivables. You might also look here into business AI, and that's basically a nice thing which might be very interesting for you. So an app which helps you to accelerate your collection process for cash. And I think this is definitely a very good idea to look at. I hope you like what you've seen and stay tuned for more videos.